Okay, the next video or the next topic is how to make $10,000 per month as an Uber driver, guys.
I am going to be driving for Uber each and every single day for 28 days straight to see how much money I can make.
But first, how did I come up with the idea? I recently saw a video where this guy drove Uber.
Yeah, so this guy, he made what, $8,000 in a month for driving for Uber Eats, right?
Yeah.
So this guy here, what's his name? Maximum Strength.
Yeah.
Check out Maximum Strength, guys. He basically drove $13,000 worth of Uber in a month. So he'd put on 4,000 miles on his car. Oh, his net profit was, bro, he only spent $400 in gas. What about all the wear and tear in your car? Wait,
It's expensive. Oh, so he probably made a little over 13K. Yeah.
He made
I mean, how insane is that? That's
13,000 per month. Dang, he's using a lot of songs. Yeah, this is copyright, bro. Bro, you gotta like not use songs, or else you're not gonna make any money off these videos.
So he was driving like 12 hours a day.
Wait, how do you drive more than 12 hours a day?
I don't know.
I thought the limit was 12.
He must have cheated the system.
The
limit is recent.
Wait, what?
Maybe the limit is more recent and because this video is from a year ago.
Yeah, this dude hacked into Uber to drive over 12 hours in a day.